Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great and having a wonderful day. If you want to improve your English speaking skills and learn daily use sentences in a simple and easy way, then you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to learn some of the most important English sentences that you can use in your daily life. These sentences are very easy, very useful, and perfect for beginners. So make sure you watch this video till the end, practice these sentences with me, and try to use them in your daily conversation. Let's get started. I understand. I understand. I don't understand. Please help me. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. How are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am busy. Wait a moment. Listen to me. Look at this. Come here. Let's go. Sit down. Stand up. Be careful. Don't worry. Everything is fine. I am ready. Let's start. Stop it. Try again. Keep going. Hurry up. What happened? It's okay. No problem. I agree. I disagree. That's right. That's wrong. Good job. Well done. Take care. See you later. Good morning. Good night. What do you want? I am hungry. I am tired. I am happy. I am sad. Call me later. I will call you. Wait for me. Don't be late. What time is it? Let me know. You can do it. Never give up. Let's do it. I like it. I don't like it. That's enough.